If you're already creating content online, but you're not bringing in 4 to 5 figures a month consistently, something is really off, and I want to help you diagnose it. Whether you're creating on TikTok Shop, Amazon Influencer, or building your own personal brand, you could be making at least an extra $1,000 a month with UGC as an additional low-stress income stream. Since 2023, UGC has added over 275 grand to my business, and it's one of the fastest ways for skilled creators to monetize their content without needing a big audience or relying on commissions, because you get paid for every piece of content you create. So in this video, I'm handing you the fast-tracked version of my Paid Content Creator Academy signature framework, the exact system that my students use to land their first $1,000, $3,000, even $6,000 months with UGC. And if you want my eyes on your portfolio, personalized coaching, and step-by-step support, the fall 2025 PCCA cohort is officially open until August 31st. You can learn more about it in the description of this video. But first, let's plan out your week-by-week game plan. Week 1 is all about research and positioning. You're going to reverse engineer what actually converts already by studying current winning UGC ads. Not just what looks pretty, but what's actually already performing for brands, and what UGC creators are already getting paid for. I want you to go into the Facebook ads library, the TikTok Creative Center, and Instagram search to spot recurring content hooks, visuals, and styles. In the Facebook ads library, search brands you already love or products in your niche, and look at their paid video UGC ads. Pay attention to hooks, pacing, captions, and structure. Then hop into the TikTok Creative Center to explore top performing ads by category, especially in beauty, wellness, tech, or food and beverage. Look for patterns. Is it voiceover heavy, trend-based, or creator-led? And on Instagram, search keywords or hashtags like UGC Creator or sponsored post to see what content is being shared by both brands and creators in that space. Next, pick 3 physical products from around your home, ideally from different niches like beauty, wellness, tech, or lifestyle, and add 2 digital tools or SaaS platforms you genuinely use and love. Think of these as your test clients, products you can confidently speak about, demonstrate, and create content for, because brands will want to see how you perform across different categories. From there, I want you to choose 5 content styles that you want to create your content through based on what you saw in your research. Here are 5 high-performing formats to consider with the why behind each. Number 1 is unboxings. Brands love these for product launches. They mimic the first impression experience. Number 2 is testimonials or first-person POV. This builds trust. It's great for health, wellness, skincare, or tools you personally use. Number 3 is a listicle style, something like 3 Reasons I Love X. They're fast, clear, and super repurposable for paid ads. Number 4 is voiceover and B-roll. This shows that you can film and narrate separately. This is ideal for app or SaaS clients. And last but not least, skits or reaction style. This adds personality and entertainment value, perfect for lifestyle or Gen Z focused brands. Pick styles that match both your strengths and the type of brands you want to attract. If you want beauty brands, for example, go hard on aesthetic setups and testimonials. If you want tech or SaaS brands, lean into voiceovers, screen shares, or storytelling style use cases. Once you've locked in your 5 products and your 5 content styles, you're ready to move into week 2. This is where your portfolio starts to come alive. Week 2 is all about scripting, shooting, and building your visual assets fast. No overthinking, no endless retakes. You're going to start by scripting your 5 videos, 1 for each product and content style you chose in week 1. You can actually use my UGC Video Builder GPT to knock these out in under 90 seconds each. I've linked it in the description of this video. Here's what your script needs to include: a scroll-stopping hook, 2 to 3 seconds long, a clear value proposition or benefit. What's in it for the viewer? Why should they stay and watch? Number 3, a CTA or soft close. What should they feel, do, or believe by the end of the video? If you're doing a testimonial, lead with emotion. If it's a listicle, get straight to the points. If it's a voiceover, plan your B-roll so it feels intentional as a perpetuation of your A-roll. Then film those 5 videos, ideally in one day. Batching while you're already feeling creative will help this process go quicker and feel more natural. Next, you're going to build your UGC photo bank. Choose 5 new products and shoot at least 3 images per product using my 70-20-10 framework. 70% with your face, 20% with your hands and product only, and 10% for product only, giving clean, well-lit, brandable shots. These photos are not just extras in your portfolio, but they help you land organic and paid deals faster by showing range and polish. Now that you've scripted and filmed your videos and built a solid bank of branded photos, it's time to turn your content into an asset that actually sells. Week 3 is all about presentation and pitch, because if your portfolio does not look premium, you won't attract premium rates. So start by building your portfolio in a Canva website using my 100K creator portfolio template. You can find the link to that within this video description as well, or feel free to create your own using these key elements. First up is a cover slide with your name, your niche, and what kind of content you specialize in. Next up is your video showcase. Embed all 5 videos and make sure that the autoplay is off and it doesn't start playing when they first open the website. Next up is your photo gallery. Include those 5 to 10 UGC style photos that show range and relevance. Next up is your service and deliverables. List what you offer, your video styles, your add-ons, etc. Last up, you're going to do your contact info and a call to action. Make it very clear how brands can reach out to you. Next, it's time to price with confidence, because how you price isn't just about numbers, it's about how you position yourself as a professional creator. Start by establishing your base rates. For videos, what's your minimum price for a 15 to 30 second UGC video? For photo sets, what's your rate for a set of 3 to 5 branded images? Then build out your add-ons menu. These are what turn a $150 project into a $500 plus package, and could include things like ad usage rights, exclusivity fees if the brand wants you to avoid working with their competitors, whitelisting access if the brand wants to run paid ads from your page, raw file delivery for repurposing, hook variations or alternate intros to increase potential ad performance. Break these out in your portfolio or your pricing guide so brands can build their own packages. This makes you look both flexible and high-end. Finally, define your minimum package rate that protects your time and energy. For example, you might set a $300 minimum, so you're never hopping on calls or doing edits for less than what feels worth it. Finally, you're going to build your pitch packet. This is your outreach engine. It's how you go from just another creator to someone brands want to hire. Here's what goes inside. Cold DM and email templates. Create 1 to 2 message templates that feel conversational and valuable. Lead with what you love about the brand, include a quick win like a video idea for them, and a link to your portfolio. And please avoid spammy intros. You want to show that you get their brand. Next up, you're going to build your Dream 15 spreadsheet. This is where you list 15 brands you'd love to work with and track down their brand name, decision maker, and contact info. Think CMO, social media managers, etc., their social handles, and take notes on their current ad strategy or pain points that you could solve. This is your new client pipeline. Treat it like a business. Then you're going to have your portfolio link and a plug-and-play intro. Write a short blurb that you can tweak per pitch. Something like, "Hey, brand, I'm a UGC creator who specializes in niche. I noticed your recent ad campaign and had a few content ideas I think could really perform. Here's a link to my work." Personalization is what gets replies. Always show you've done your homework. It positions you as a partner, not just a creator. By week 4, you've got the content, you've got the portfolio, you've got the pitch. Now it's time to get discovered. During week 4, it is all about setting up your visibility engine so brands can find you, book you, and pay you without you cold pitching forever. Here's exactly what I want you to do. Step 1 is to optimize freelance marketplaces for UGC. Create polished professional profiles on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Collabster, Join Brands, etc. On each platform, use UGC-focused keywords in your title and your bios. Then upload your best 3 to 5 videos as featured content and list clear deliverables and pricing without undervaluing yourself. Most people treat these platforms like Craigslist, but you're going to treat them like LinkedIn, creating offers and profiles that are high converting, intentional, and SEO driven. Step 2 is I want you to build an inbound presence on Twitter or X. Twitter is one of the fastest ways to build visibility and get inbound UGC leads if you position yourself well. Start by creating a clean professional bio, something like UGC Creator, Beauty plus Wellness, portfolio link. Then pin a tweet that introduces who you are, your niche, and includes a portfolio example you're proud of. You should engage for 5 to 10 minutes a day with brand founders, marketers, and other creators. Share behind the scenes of your shoots, thoughts on recent ad trends, or short case studies of content you have created. The key is to be visible as a creator, not just a consumer on the platform. Number 3 is to stay consistent with outreach and content. Even while building your inbound strategy, keep sending 2 to 3 pitches a week from your ever-growing Dream 15. You're not just trying to land a brand deal, you're building a brand as a go-to creator in your niche. If you follow this 4-week plan, you're not just hoping to land a deal, you're strategically positioning yourself to consistently get paid for your content. This is the exact framework that helped me earn over $275,000 with UGC, and it's helped dozens of my PCCA students hit their first $1,000, $3,000, even $6,000 months. So if you want my eyes on your portfolio, personalized feedback on your videos, and step-by-step coaching through every piece of this process, including how to build out money-driving Fiverr and Upwork profiles, the doors to the Fall 2025 PCCA cohort are officially open until August 31st. Click the link below to join us, or grab the DIY version if you're watching this after the doors have closed. Or if you're just looking for more UGC how-tos, check out this video next, where I go through everything you need to know to get your UGC business off the ground.